Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we have here again another very exciting product. This is the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro. Now what's so interesting about this guy right here is that Amazfit being Amazfit, they didn't just create like an audio earbuds, but it also comes with very cool features that tracks your sports as well as your health. So very cool stuff here. Today I'm going to tell you all about my experience after using the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro for 1 week. Now before I do that, let me talk to you about the price as well as what came in the box. So the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro right here, it's retailing in Malaysia for RM639, and you can find them down in the links below. It's being sold by Amazfit Malaysia. Of course, if you're from different regions of the world, you'll have to check with your local distributor. Now done with the price, let's check out the earbuds itself and what came in the box. We do have the PowerBuds Pro right here. It's a very small form factor actually, and it fits very nicely in my palm. So as you can see, my hands again are pretty small here, but it fits completely inside. You do get the earbuds here, which also looks very nice. I'll show you guys up close and personal later on. So apart from this, you also get a charging cable in the box, very nice. And you also get a set of different sizes earbuds tips. Now notice here that we do have the small, the large, as well as the extra large. And the medium is already on the earbuds that is in the charging case. So very cool stuff here. Regardless of your ear sizes, there will definitely be a size that fits you perfectly fine. Last but not least, we also get a tiny booklet over here that is like your kind of manuals. It's only a few pages, but yeah, if you need more info, you can always check out this little booklet that came in the box as well. So those are all the items that came in the box, but now we're going to jump over to my desk here where I can get really up close and personal to show you guys all about this Amazfit PowerBuds Pro as well as its various features that comes with it. Let's go! Alright guys, so now that we're up close and personal with the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro, let me just show you around the charging case once again. We do have a tiny LED indicator at the front. It doesn't show you the amount of battery remaining, but it just shows whether the earbuds is connected. Below here, we do have the Amazfit logo, your Type-C charging port, and at the back here, you also do have one tiny reset button to try and connect the earbuds to your smartphone. So pretty standard stuff there. Let's take a look at the earbuds themselves because they're actually quite interesting here. So according to Amazfit, the shape or the form of this earbuds right here is actually formed after the music notes kind of symbol. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but it does look quite cool as well. What is pretty interesting here is that for this kind of earbuds, you do not actually tap on the sides here to get to the next track or skip to the previous track. What you do here is you actually just squeeze the this section here of the earbuds, and you can actually just do it very easily. So I kind of like that because instead of always just tapping into your ear, this is actually a very much more convenient way of changing your songs or something like that. So it's very, very cool there. Alright, now let's talk very quickly about the audio quality. So I'm just going to put this very quickly into my ears here just to show you how it looks like when it's in your ears. Once you put it in, it actually has in-ear detection, so you can see I have it in my ears right now, and it does beep a little bit whenever I put it in my ears as well. So if you remove these earbuds when the music is playing, it will stop playing your music, and you put it back in, you'll play your music right again. So in terms of how the audio quality sounds like, these guys here, this Amazfit PowerBuds Pro actually sounds amazing, guys. So the bass is very strong. You have very rich bass, and I think this is one of the best, one of my go-to for now, definitely in terms of that kind of bassy music. Apart from that, you also get very good mid-range. The trebles are very clear. So overall, in terms of audio quality, I'm just going to sum it up, guys. It is awesome. The sound is really good here. And to actually enhance your experience, what you need to do is, if you do end up buying this device here, you need to go into your smartphone, you go into the Zap app right here, and you can actually see that you have a lot more settings on the device itself. So I'm just going to zoom in very quickly here to show you what kind of settings you can expect. You can obviously see your battery life of your case, of the left and right earbud, so that's very convenient. Over here, notice that you do have your transparency mode, you have your ANC mode as well, and you can actually choose the kind of ANC mode that you want to go with. So there's a couple of different kinds of ANC modes. So you have your adaptive, your travel, your workout, as well as your indoors. So it's very, very helpful for this ANC adaptive to actually work with your earbuds. So what I do know is that according to Amazfit, it is able to block out up to 40 decibels of noise from your environment, and so far I've been using it even outdoors, and I find that it is doing a really good job at blocking out the noise. Alright, so that's just your ANC. Apart from that, I did mention earlier on that this earbuds also has a couple of health features as well as a sports tracking feature. So now let's check out what they actually mean. Alright, so in terms of your hearing health, notice here that the PowerBuds Pro actually measures the amount of volume that is actually going into your ears. You can tell how high the volume is, and it actually tracks those so that it will maybe give you a quick notification here to let you know to maybe reduce the volume, or maybe just don't keep listening to music that often. This actually helps with your hearing, and according to Amazfit, this is in line with the guidelines from the WHO. So again, very useful stuff here, because you can see a lot of details here in terms of your listening volumes. So that's just the hearing health. If you move back right here, it also has this cervical protection. So what this means is basically there are actually sensors in these earbuds themselves. When you actually put them in, you can calibrate them to show your posture. So it actually tells when you are hunching too often, and that's not good for your neck or even for your back. So I think this is a very cool feature here. As you can see, I do have my my degree of angle right here. So it will definitely prompt you to, you know, sit back up straight and all that whenever it tells that you are too much like hunched forward, or whenever you're having a bad posture. So again, I think this is a very unique feature that you don't really see on other earbuds out there. All right, so let's move down further on. Of course, you can also change the gestures here, very standard. I'm not going to go through this one because it's pretty straightforward. Another thing, in terms of your music, you also have access to an equalizer, so you can actually tune your music to how you prefer it to sound. This offers quite a lot of customization to your final audio quality, so that's also available right here. Now moving on, you also have your wearing sensitivity. In terms of the fitness and all that, this is where this comes in. So apparently the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro here is also able to detect when you are starting a run. So once you start that run, it will start to track your heart rate, and that is actually in the sensors on the earbuds. Again, very impressive stuff that is able to track your heart rate when you are on your runs. And according to Amazfit as well, if you're doing your runs, all you need to do is just pinch the tip of this earbud, and it will actually tell you your distance, your pace, your heart rate, a couple of health stuff that you might need to know. So it's very, very cool there. For those of you who likes your runs and you want your information immediately, just squeeze on the, you know, the little legs here of these earbuds, and you can get those information very quickly. One more thing that I need to highlight here is that it is able to connect the third-party apps right here. So if you're using different kind of apps, this will also work with it. Apart from that, it will also notify you if your heart rate is too high, and I've set mine to 151. Obviously, you can customize this, very simple. And another feature that it has here is the motion beat mode, and that means that when you're running, it will actually adapt the music to your runs. And what I mean by that is that the earbuds themselves will increase the boost to actually keep you pumped up during your exercising mode, just to give you a little bit more boost, I would say. So that is also something that you can on and off. Apart from that, that's pretty much what you can expect from the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro. Those are the very unique features that we have on these earbuds right here. Again, one more thing that I need to mention here is that this is actually IP55 water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about the rain splashes and as well as your sweat going to ruin these things. It's going to be fine. Alright, so according to Amazfit, these earbuds are able to last 6 hours with your ANC and 9 hours with your ANC off. Obviously, if you use it with your charging case here, you're going to get a lot more juice. Again, according to Amazfit, they're quoting 19 hours with the case and 30 hours if you do not use your ANC. So that's quite a fair bit of time there that you can have with these earbuds themselves. Alright guys, now that we're at the end of this video, just to quickly sum up my experience with the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro that I have here, overall it has been a very pleasant experience because number one, for the most important part, it comes with great audio as well as the amazing active noise cancellation feature. It's able to block out quite a significant amount of noise with these earbuds right here, so I'm very happy and pleased with the audio quality. Again, if you like a lot of bass with your music, very rich kind of trebles and mids, this is the kind of wireless ANC earbuds that you might want to check out. Apart from that, it also comes with those extra features like your health monitoring as well as your fitness tracking. So if you want to have those kind of features as well into your earbuds, since you're already going to be listening to them, you might want to check out the Amazfit PowerBuds Pro that I have right here. Again guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want more information, don't forget to check the links down in the description below. If you have more questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments. I try to answer every single comment, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Bye!